Hi, I'm Mary Kay Higgins, an associate broker with Caldwell Banker Reliable. I'm here to showcase 216 Sycamore Street in the town of Eltonville in Staten Island. This house is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 1.5-bath townhouse. It's a triplex with your private garage and extra space on the outside of the house. The lot is about 20 wide by 75. Let's go in and tour the house. This is your entryway to the garage. This is a very spacious, lovely 1-bedroom apartment. It could be an office, whatever you want to use it as. We built these closets, they're custom. They will be staying with the house. The windows provide a lot of light and air. Let's go to the next room. Welcome to the main level of the house. You see this gracious living room. It has a gas fireplace, in-wall air conditioning unit, nice French doors that lead to the backyard to a Florida room. We're on the second level of the triplex. We're in an eat-in kitchen with an island. We have a half bath. Over here is your washer and dryer. It's stackable along with your heater and your hot water tank. Let's just go upstairs and check out the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. The master bedroom features 2 closets, his and hers, has in-wall air conditioning unit, and as you can see, it fits a queen-size bed. And now we're going over to look at the second bedroom. It's very spacious, could fit twin beds, king-size bed, queen-size bed, has a nice closet, in-wall air conditioning unit, recessed lighting. Check out this barn door leading to this brand new custom bathroom. Skylight, bidet, nice sink, rainforest shower head. Let's go downstairs and check out the Florida room, which leads to the backyard. Okay, this is the Florida room. It's a great space. You get a little fresh air, and it leads to the side yard, which runs the length of the house. Now, we're going to check out the side of the building because this building is semi-attached, and it has a garden, vegetable garden. The lady grows cucumbers, tomatoes, parsley, oregano, figs. She has everything. She loves this garden. So this concludes the tour of 216 Sycamore Street in Eltonville, Staten Island. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. This lovely townhouse is 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bath, open floor plan, listed for just $549. Taxes are shy of $5,000. Call me if you'd like to see it. I'd love to show it. I'd love to sell it. I'm Mary Kay Higgins from Caldwell Banker Reliable. My number is listed below. Now I'm signing off. Have a great day.